Look at this simple VPN application here. I'm pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. And here this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So over here you may see server section. The top one you can see all the servers that the VPN offers. And at the top here you see free servers. As you can see it's unlimited speed. And at the bottom here you have a premium server with unlimited speed. So if I go back here and tap on premium, this is where you pretty much go to get your premium subscription. Now the task option, nothing much for this, just some random stuff. So in the settings here, you have the app settings, you have the auto connect, which connects you to the last server that you have been connected to. You have the kill switch option, which pretty much explains itself. You have the split system feature, which is a tunneling feature, which pretty much allows you to select whichever application you want to get a VPN connection or which you don't. So very simple. So auto connect this VPN, all you got to do is select your server. So if you have a premium subscription, you can go down here and select your server, but if not, you can just select one of these server or just let it stay on the fastest location. Whether on the free server, whether on the premium subscription, you will still select a premium server, so you can just let it stay on the fast location option. Once you have done that, you can swipe this across. It will ask for VPN setup. Just tap on go settings and tap on OK here, and you're pretty much good to go. So you may see an ads, just exit off and you're pretty much good to go. As you can see here, I'm connected in no time. So very simple application to use. Nothing more for you to not understand, guys. And if you missed anything in the tutorial, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. See you in the next one.